Bore da, fy enw fi ydy Alex. Oherwydd fod mod yn gallu cyfathrebu gyda'r tiwtor a cwsmeriaid dwy Cymraeg, mae'n helpu ni i ddefnyddio'r Cymraeg fwy aml a cofio pwysigrwydd cael yn ysgu yn y dwyieithog.
Hello, my name is Tim. My bilingual learning sessions remind me that I am learning in a uniquely Welsh environment. I also find the sessions give me the opportunity to practice my spoken Welsh with my fellow students.
Mae'n braf bod awyrgylch Gymraeg yn Goleg Llanfillio. Dwi'n teimlo'n gyfforddus yn siarad Cymraeg am bod y gwersi yn Dwyieithog dwi wedi gallu datblygu fy sgiliau yn Dwyieithog.
Being an English-speaking student living in Wales, bilingual learning sessions have encouraged me to learn more about Wales, its history and its culture.
Helo, dwi di Sara. Yn astudio a gweithio yn y diwydion twristiaeth, rwy'n gwybod pa mor bwysig ydy hi bod ymwelydd yn mynd adre hefo agwedd positif ac atgofion melys o Gymru. Mae dysgu Dwyieithog wedi bod yn help mawr i mi ddatblygu fy sgiliau siarad yn Dwyieithog.
I think it's quite important to remember that Wales has its own history and culture, and although everyone can speak English, hearing people speak Welsh during bilingual learning sessions reminds that you are in a different country with its own values and traditions.
A cofio pwysigrwydd cael yn ysgu yn Dwyieithog.
And again.
Tony, can I be a nuisance?
Can you just look at the smile? Can you look a bit smiley, happier?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's it, like that.
Hello, my name's Tim. My bilingual...
Helo, Bobby dwi. Mae'n braf bod awyrgylch. Oh, and again. I always get that one wrong. Dros my name. Hello, Bobby.
Straight away.
Yeah, was it because the lady's using it? There's a bleep in the middle. For some reason it goes that bleep. Did you hear it then?
You can.